Hello everyone, this is Ankita welcoming you to Global Online, and in today's lecture we are going to see NTA UGC NET paper 1, and in this lecture we are going to discuss most expected MCQ on people development and environment unit. This is a lecture 5th, okay? So students, the notification is already out and we are having very less time in our hand. So don't waste your time. Do watch this lecture to clear all your doubt regarding the same. You will receive my video every day at 2. So do visit our channel every day at 2 and do watch my video to score more marks in the upcoming exam. Before we move forward, I want to tell you that we the Global Online has brought 2000 plus MCQ quick revision PDF in which you are going to get current affairs questions, previous year questions, most expected questions and most repeated questions for the paper 1, and this PDF is available just for rupees 599. To get a PDF, contact on given number. अगर आप ये PDF लेके स्टडी करते हो तो मैं श्योर हूँ कि आपको 70-75 मार्क्स इजीली मिल जाएंगे और आपका पेपर 1 इजीली क्लियर हो जाएगा. What you are waiting for? Get the PDF and start your preparation today. Arrange column 2 in proper sequence so as to match with column 1 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. In a given question, they ask you to match the column 2 with the column A. In a column A, they given the different activity like a hearing, whispering, interface with sleep and normal talk. And in column 2, they given the noise level, that is 30 dB, 1 dB, 60 dB and 30 to 50 dB. साउंड हम डेसिबल और dB यूनिट में मेजर करते हैं. डेसिबल लेवल होती है वो 0 से स्टार्ट होती है, which near a total silence and softest sound the average person can hear. Whisper 30 decibel होती है and normal conversation speech is about the 60 dB. Increase of a 10 dB means that the sound of 10 times more powerful. The sound of ambulance is 120 dB. It's about a 1 trillion time more than the weakest sound normal person can hear. Sound rich 120 dB is painful to our ear and close distance and are dangerous to our hearing. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Hearing is 1 dB, whispering is 30 dB, interference with the sleep is between the 30 to 50 dB and normal talk is 60 dB. Which of the following natural resources are the main carbon sink and absorb up to half of carbon dioxide? In a given question they ask you, given which of the resources are the main carbon sink and absorb up to half of the carbon dioxide, and the options given are forest, glaciers, oceans and desert. Main carbon sink है plant, ocean and salt. Plant grab करते हैं carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to use in the photosynthesis. Some of these carbon are transformed to the soil as a plant dye and decompose. So for this question, the correct answer is option number C. Ocean is the main carbon sink and absorb up half of the carbon dioxide. Which of the following fluorinated gas has been added as a 7th greenhouse gas by United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change? In a given question, they ask you, given which is the fluorinated gas has been added as a 7th greenhouse gas by United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and the options given are हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन. हाइड्रोफ्लोरोकार्बन ये मैन मेड ऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट है जो कि कंटेन करता है फ्लोरीन एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड आर अ मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ organofluorine compound. Then is the second option is perfluorocarbon. Perfluorocarbon ये ग्रुप है woman made chemical composed of carbon and fluorine only. Perfluorocarbon are a powerful greenhouse gas that are introduced as an alternative to ozone depleting substances. The third option is sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride ये extremely potent and a persistent greenhouse gas है that is primarily utilized as an electrical insulator. And the last option is nitrogen trifluoride. Nitrogen trifluoride ये inorganic, colorless, non-flammable, toxic gas है with a slightly musty odor. It finds increasingly use within the manufacturing of the flat panel display. Nitrogen trifluoride is also an extremely strong and long-life greenhouse gas. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number D. Nitrogen trifluoride, fluorinated gas that has been added as a seventh greenhouse gas by the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Malaria is caused by, मलेरिया किसकी वजह से होती है? And the options are bacterial infection. Bacterial infection is proliferation of harmful strains of bacteria on or inside the body. बैक्टीरिया ह्यूमन बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट को इन्फेक्ट कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फूड पॉइजनिंग इज कॉज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज वायरल इन्फेक्शन. वायरल इन्फेक्शन का मतलब हार्मफुल वायरस होता है विद इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. वायरल इलनेस आर ड्यू टू टिश्यू डैमेज एंड एसोसिएटेड इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द होस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रेस्पिरेटरी वायरल इन्फेक्शन ये नोज, लंग एंड एयरवे को इन्फेक्ट करता है. देन इज द पैरासिटिक इन्फेक्शन. Parasitic are the organisms that live in another organism. The parasite can be microscopic or large enough to see with the eye and are served by feeding from the host. Then is a fungal infection. Fungal infection को mycolis भी कहते हैं. Fungal live in a dirt, on plant, on household surface. Example of a fungal infection is a skin diseases like a rashes or a different skin problem. For this question, the most appropriate answer will be option number C. Malaria is caused by parasitic infection. मलेरिया एक घातक बीमारी है जो कि पैरासाइट की वजह से होती है. That commonly affect certain type of mosquito which feed on humans. People who get malaria are typically very sick with high fever, shaking, chills, and flu-like illness. A temperature inversion is a condition when the air, in the given question they ask you, the temperature inversion ये condition है when the air and the options given are near the ground is lighter. The second option is near the ground is cooler than the air at the higher altitude. The third option is near the ground is hotter than that at the higher altitude, and none of the above. Temperature inversion is a reverse of normal behavior of a temperature in troposphere in which layer of the cool air at the surface is overlain by layer of the warmer air. So here the answer will be option number B. The temperature inversion is a condition when the air near the ground is cooler than the air at the higher altitude. आगे जाने से पहले मैं आपको और एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ. जो भी बच्चे यूजीसी नेट पेपर 2 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ग्लोबल ऑनलाइन नोट्स और एमसीक्यू की पीडीएफ लेके आया है. नीचे दिए सब्जेक्ट के लिए हमारे पास जो है वो पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है. उसकी एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है 1500, लेकिन वही पीडीएफ आपको 30% डिस्काउंट में मिल रही है. ओके, टू गेट द पीडीएफ प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट ऑन गिवन नंबर. Which of the following Indian state has the maximum percentage of mangrove cover in the country? In a given question they ask you, given which is the state has the maximum percentage of mangrove cover in the country? And the options given are Gujarat, West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar and Orissa. The Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest in the world, located in the Ganga River Delta in Bangladesh and the West Bengal, India. The Bhitarkanika mangrove forest in the Odisha, Bengal in India, the second largest mangrove forest. The other major mangrove forests cover the Andaman Nicobar Island as the Bharatang Island mangrove swamp and the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. West Bengal has the 42.45% of India mangrove cover, followed by the Gujarat that is 23.66%, and Then is the Andaman Nicobar Island, that is a 12.39%. So here the correct answer will be option number B. West Bengal as the maximum percentage of mangrove cover in the country. Global warming during winter become more pronounced at the, in a given question they ask you, global warming during winter become more pronounced at, and the options given are equator. Equator imaginary line है around the middle of planet. It is a halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole at 0° latitude. And the equator divides the planet into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Then is pole, end of imaginary line on which the earth or another planet turn. The third option is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is also referred to as a northern tropic. It is a mostly northerly circle of latitude on the earth at which the sun can directly overheat. It occurs on the June solstice when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun to its maximum extent. And the last option is Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn a circle है latitude that contain the subsolar point at the December solstice. It is thus the southernmost latitude where the sun can seen directly overhead. It is also reached 90° below the origin at the solar midnight on the June solstice. Here the correct answer for this question is option number D. Global warming during winter become more pronounced at Tropic of Capricorn. All hydrocarbon except methane contribute to the production of. In a given question they ask you all the hydrocarbon except the methane contribute to the production of, and the options given are acid deposition, acid rain और acid deposition. ये broad term है जो कि include करता है any form of precipitation with the acidic component such as a sulfuric or a nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in a wet or a dry form. This can be include rain, snow, fog, hail or even the dust that is acidic. Then is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect ये process है by which the radiation from the planet atmosphere warm the planet surface to the temperature above what it will be without this atmosphere. Then is photochemical smoke. Photochemical smoke ये एक प्रकार का smoke है produced when the ultraviolet light from the sun react with the nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere. It is visible as a brown haze and most prominent during the morning and the afternoon, especially in the densely polluted warm cities. And last option is none of the above. So here the correct answer for this question is option number C. All hydrocarbon except the methane contribute to the production of photochemical smoke. Please remember the explanation of each option because if any question came on any of the option, you will be in the position to answer that question. Why is photochemical smoke typically worse in summer? In a given question they ask you photochemical smoke जो होता है वो typically worst होता है in summer में. क्यों? And the options given are there is a more solar energy to drive photochemical reaction. People tend to travel more in summers. Warm temperature prevent the dissipation of pollutant and none of the above. Photochemical smoke ये एक प्रकार का smoke है जो कि produce होता है when the ultraviolet light from the sun react with the nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere. Due to the abundance in the area of warmer temperature, photochemical smoke is most common in the summer. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Photochemical smoke typically works in a summer because there is a more solar energy to drive photochemical reactions. 0 decibel is the, in a given question they ask you about the 0 decibel and the options given are threshold point of hearing, threshold point of physical pain, where no sound wave can travel, and last option is none of the above. 0 decibel does not mean that there is no sound. Merrily we cannot hear it. 0 decibel is the is called hearing threshold of the for the woman here. Here the most appropriate answer for this question is option number A. 0 decibel is the threshold point for hearing.